Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung account keeps stopping issue in Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on search bar and here search Samsung account. Now open the Samsung account app and then scroll down and click on storage. Now here click on clear cache to clear the cache memory of Samsung account, and after that go back to your home screen and open Galaxy Store. Now in Galaxy Store, click on this search icon and here search Samsung account. And then click on this Samsung account app. Now from here, update the Samsung account app if you have not updated, and after updating the Samsung account will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.